Hi everyone, please join me, and in this video you will see how to crochet amazing flower made of seed beads, yarn and crochet hook. For work I will use beads. Before the work I threaded seed beads onto the working yarn, a ball of yarn and crochet hook 1.4 millimeters or 2 millimeters crochet hook. Let's crochet the flower. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make a chain of 7 for the foundation ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And join the chain and round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make chain of 2 to bring up the yarn and work into the ring. Make half double crochet with seed bead. Yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the ring. Make half double crochet 1, 2, 3. As you can see, I'm removing a long piece of yarn. Four, 5, and so on till you will get 12 half double crochet into the ring. Once I have done 12 half double crochet into the ring, I skip the chains. Insert the hook into the half double crochet. Make slip stitch and pull it. My first round is ready. Let's crochet round 2. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the same stitch. Make 2 single crochet 1, 2. Well done. Work into the next stitch. Make single crochet and take seed beads. I need 6 seed beads. Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I counted 6 seed beads. Pull up the working loop. Take the working yarn behind the seed beads. Take the working yarn, pull it through like this. Pull it. So my picot made of 6 seed beads is ready. So my first one is ready. I insert the hook into 2 loops and take the working yarn, pull it through. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make 2 single crochet 1, 2. Then single crochet through the next stitch and make picot made of 6 seed beads. Count 6 seed beads, 3 and 3. In total it should be 6 of them. Make a chain with 6 seed beads and pull them. My picot is ready. It is very simple. Insert the hook into the 2 loops. Then 2 single crochet through the next stitch. Then single crochet and picot. 6 seed beads. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Make a picot made of 6 seed beads. Make a chain with beads. Pull them. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Make 2 single crochet. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. In total it should be 6 of them. I have done all 6 picots made of 6 seed beads. Insert the hook into 2 loops. Pull up a loop. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the stitch. Make a slip stitch. My second round is ready, here how it looks. Let's crochet round 3. Make slip stitch into the next stitch. Pull it. Make a chain, pull it. And single crochet into the same stitch. Chain of 3 for the chain space. I insert the hook between the 3rd and the 4th bead. Make single crochet. Chain of 3, 1 2 3. They are 2 stitches. Insert the hook into the next stitch, make single crochet and single crochet into the next stitch. Then chain of 3 for the chain space and single crochet between beads. Chain of 3 and single crochet into the next stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. 1 2 3 and single crochet between beads. Chain of 3, 1 2 3 and single crochet into the next stitch and single crochet into the next stitch. It is going to be petals in the next round. Keep working this way till the end of this round. Let's complete this round with me. Once I have done the last chain space, insert the hook into the stitch that I worked with slip stitch into. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the next stitch, make a slip stitch. My bases are ready. My round 3 is ready. Let's crochet round 4. It is going to be the last round of my flower. For this, make a chain, work into the chain space, make single crochet, 2 3, continue, 2 half double crochet, 1 2, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the single crochet, make double crochet, then make the second one and make the picot made of seed beads on the top on this double crochet. Take seed beads. In this case, I take 3 seed beads. Take the working yarn, pull it through, make a chain and pull it. I insert the hook into 2 loops. Take the working yarn, pull it through, pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook and double crochet into the same single crochet. And work into the next chain space in the same way. 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, and 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3. My first petal is ready. Here how it looks. I remind you I am working on round 4. I will start the next one and you should continue working with your own. Work into the next chain space, make 3 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 2 half double crochet, 1, 2, then 2 double crochet, 1, into the single crochet 2 and make picot made of 3 seed beads. Take the working yarn, pull it through. My picot is ready. Insert the hook into 2 loops, take the working yarn, pull it through and make double crochet into the same stitch. 2 half double crochet into the next chain space, 1, 2, and 3 single crochet, 1, 2, 3. My petal is ready. Keep working in this way till the end of this round, then I will show you how to complete my flower with me. Once I have done all 6 petals, let's complete this round with me. I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the single crochet, take the working yarn, pull it through. To secure the yarn by making a chain, I have already cut off my yarn. You can remove the yarn along the stitches on the back side of the work using the sewing needle or crochet hook. You can add a bead to the center of the flower. Here how it looks with bead. And now I will show you my ready project. So that's it, my project is ready. It consists only 4 rounds. In each round I am using seed beads. This is my own pattern I created recently for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, follow me in social media and of course crochet with me and learn more. All information about the tools could be found in the description of each video tutorial. See you next time and good luck in crocheting. Bye!